How to use Google Drive. This is what we're going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, you have to go and open Google Drive or download Google Drive from App Store on your mobile. As you download Google Drive on your mobile, then you have to open Google Drive. As you open Google Drive on your mobile, then here you will have all the information that we have already gone through. Now, in order to go through any of the settings or anything that you want to do, you have to first go over here. In order to add something, you have to click on the add option down below, and you can upload anything on your Google Drive. In order to download it, you have to click on these three lines, and then you have these kind of options in which you have all kind of options, and you can download it, rename it, make a copy a link, and this is how you can use Google Drive. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section, and also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.